Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic, exploring the incredible process of using FDM 3D printed molds for slip casting, also known as clay casting. Our story starts when one of our clients comes to us with a challenge to make copies of a wooden pillar but in ceramic material. Pretty interesting, right? So let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, we scanned the wooden pillar with a 3D scanner to get its shape and size. After that, we did reverse engineering on scanned data to get the exact dimensions. Then, we used those dimensions to design the mold of wooden pillar. Let's get to the 3D printing process. This is where Pratam 5.0 FDM 3D printer comes into action like a pro. The mold is getting printed layer by layer in the machine. After 41 hours of continuous printing, this is what it looks like. As you can see that the surface is really smooth, which will help to achieve better casting results. Now, let's move on to the casting process. Let me show you the 3D printed mold and how the casting process will be carried out. So this is the female mold. Let me give you a closer look at it. And this one is a male mold, and you can see that both are having pretty good surface finish. These molds are equipped with screw holes at the rear, allowing for secure fastening during the assembly process. We fit them together to make the cavity with a pouring hole. Then we pour a special liquid called slip into the cavity and let it sit for around 22 minutes to turn it into solid, and we have our raw clay pillar. So that's it from our side. I hope this video will help you to learn more about the importance of 3D printing technology in the slip casting process. Do visit our website make3d.in for more details.